Welcome to Noah Family Tech Life Unfolded. Welcome back to another podcast episode. Today we are talking about 3D printing, and we are going to talk about things 3D printing. And sorry for making not a podcast episode in a while. We took a little bit of a few weeks break.
That we did. We took a little break, a little breather from tech and all these things, but today we got this 3D printer going. As you can see over here, we got a little something printing. We're gonna talk about what things we're printing up today, but there's all kinds of things we can print, like you can see here on the screen. We've done articulated dragons in the past, and we've done all kinds of different things, but today we were looking for weird things to print. So things like you could print up a Tesla truck, a Cybertruck. So we might try to do a model of that.
After this is done printing.
There's a lot of different things on YouTube here. 16 years and 32 minutes. All these different things to look up, different ideas, and a lot of different things about 3D printing. We don't know a whole lot about it. That's why we're on here. We're looking at different videos, watching stuff, trying to figure out what we can and can't do, and what things might be pretty cool to do. What do you think?
Good.
It's good? Well, what did you want to talk about with 3D printing? What do you like about it?
You can 3D print some cool stuff.
Yeah, what are the things that you've printed in the past? The dragons?
The phone holder.
A phone holder, yes. He did a phone holder that was pretty cool. I forgot about that. I don't even know where that's at anymore. Did a big Easter egg. Do you remember where that is? Do you know where that Easter egg went? I don't know. It's a good question. We can look everywhere in here because this place is packed full of good things. Lots of neat stuff in here.
Tech,
but our 3D
papers, remotes, phones, iPads.
But I don't see a big egg that we printed. It was like a 5-hour print.
Laptops too, MacBooks.
We're talking about things we could 3D print though.
There's a lot of other things we can.
We could probably print something to hold a laptop or something like that, maybe.
Yeah.
Is there? I'm sure there's people out here that have printed a lot of stuff and a lot further along than we are, but things like little goofy things is what we're looking to try to do. 3D printers are pretty cool. I like it. I like watching it. I like listening to it print. But any ideas from anybody out there watching this video, please comment on the video of things that you like to print, and any ideas that you might want to see maybe Aiden print on his printer, which I think would be very, very cool.
Like a Minecraft villager or something.
Like a Minecraft villager. So we might try that. So I turned off the screen, got it on cam only. I'm kind of looking around. See the 3D printer working over here. Hopefully it works because we've had some issues with it. I've had to take and clean off the bed, re-level everything, get everything working again. So hopefully it works out for him. What's the next thing you want to print, you think, kiddo?
Probably something like a tree.
Like a tree. We could do that. We could actually look up. Let's look up 3D printing a tree.
I saw this one.
Maybe we'll look at this and do a bonsai tree. That would be pretty cool. I think maybe we'll try to 3D print a bonsai tree next.
Yeah.
All right. What else did you have you wanted to talk about today on today's podcast? I hope everybody's doing good out there. Let us know anything y'all want us to print. We'll try it. We'll give it a go, and if it works out good, we'll make a video about it.
Yeah.
What else do you want to talk about today?
So we're gonna talk about the future of this channel we're on.
Okay. What do you think is the future of the channel? Because right now we're just kind of goof around, get on here and talk a little bit. Don't really take it too seriously.
Well,
what do you think? Should we get more serious about it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
Probably something like maybe changing this room up a little bit.
I like that. I like that. What are we going to do with it? There's a lot of stuff in here. I don't know if this camera can see it. Let's see. There's a whole city behind us.
Yeah, and
a whole city of Legos.
I'm working on it.
That we have built over the years, and we're still working on it. What else you got, kiddo, before we end this program? We're not going to stay on here very long.
Yeah.
Got a lot of things to go do today.
So I think this podcast is going to be a success.
It's going to be a success?
Yeah.
Well, let's hope so. Let's hope people like it. They like just watching two people get on here, just goof around, talk about things, and just kind of have a little bit of fun with it.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, I'm signing off. I don't know what Mr. Aiden here is going to do, if he's going to sign off, if he wants to continue on. If he wants to continue on, I'll give up the headphones. He can sit down.
Yeah, let's continue.
Okay, you're going to continue on with it?
Yes.
Okay, well, he'll make another video, and we'll continue on with it. But right now, I'm going to sign off. I've got things I've got to go do. So
okay.
I hope everybody has a great Sunday. Thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it, and let us know in the comments what you want to see being what you want to see printed up.
Probably 3D printing I saw you can 3D print Lego tracks.
Okay, we might try that. But next, it's going to be a bonsai tree. The next video, we are going to try to 3D print a bonsai tree. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Well, this is Dad signing off, and Mr.
Google.
Thanks, everybody.
Welcome to the bonus material. Today I'm talking about so there's a lot of things. So there's a lot of things we can 3D print. So yeah. So we're gonna 3D print
in the coolest way possible. These are my top 10 most useful 3D prints, starting with number...
Maybe we can do that. I don't know. I'm gonna sign off from the bonus material. Goodbye. Goodbye.